Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. You took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you boss, you can't even pay me enough to react. You waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in the party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory, yeah. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap, hey, they saying busy to snap. This is between us, it's not like a sport, this isn't a close gap, hey. I see some niggas attack, and don't let them make it back. I know that they at the crib, going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? When the trenches relax, can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in the leather, I buy her wig, she telling me.
Good morning vlog, welcome back or welcome to the channel if you guys are new. So you guys saw that I basically just came from the gym and I'm sitting like under a little cabana because I just wanted to stay outside and not in the AC and kind of cool off for a little bit. And please excuse the noise in the background, but they are cutting the grass around the complex. But this is just a little day in the life. I guess a Sunday prep. A little bit of everything is going on in this vlog. 1 second. But basically, yeah, I went to the gym. I'm gonna take a shower, and then I have a couple of like errands to do, really. So I need to drop some things at the post office. I need to go to the actual like do some like work on a computer a little bit. What else? I do need to meal prep, so we're gonna cook something later as well. So yeah, I hope you guys will stay tuned to the video. Also, if you're noticing I am in a different complex, it's because I am moving. And basically the place I'm staying with a friend for a little bit, and then I'm gonna move to my new place pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. Lots of different things are happening, life changes, and I think the videos and vlogs are gonna be so much fun. And I'll explain to you guys later, what's really going on. But stay tuned for that for sure. But yeah, let me head back and take a shower and just get everything going for the day.
Last, now everybody go to our breakfast.
Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like.
Okay, let's get out of here. I'm about to leave the library. It's a couple hours later, and got everything I needed done. So think I'm gonna pick up some Chick-fil-A and we can get going because yeah, I'm low-key tired. So let's get something to eat and then head home. That's the plan. Hey guys, just checking in again. It is actually it's a little later. It's about, what's the time right there? Yeah, just a little after 5 o'clock. And basically I was watching Love Island UK, just trying to catch up with that because I've been behind on a couple of episodes. So let me know if you guys watch Love Island UK, what you think about it. I honestly love it. Funny thing is, every year I say that I'm not watching this anymore because the winners always like are not the people I wanted to win. So I'm always like, oh, how could y'all choose this couple over that couple? But every year I go back and watching it. So let me know if you watch Love Island UK. I saw that they're going to be having season 4 pretty soon of Love Island USA. But I don't like the US version. I guess it's just something about the Brits when they have that weird, you know, like, let's go for a chat. Can we go for a chat? Or, oh, he's proper fit. Just their slang and their lingo is just very captivating. And for some reason, when I watched the first season of Love Island USA, they tried to use the lingo but with Americans. So Americans would be like, can we go for a chat? Can I pull you for a chat? And I'm like, nobody in America speaks like that. Come on, guys. Come on, get it together. Be authentic. Like, I would have preferred if they did that than trying to imitate how the people talk, obviously, across the pond. But my favorite couple right now, I will have to say Ekinsu and Davide. They're a mess, but they're like the best mess ever. So that's my favorite couple. I hope that they, you know, get to the end and to the finals, and hopefully they win this year and I can actually have the winners that I want, but we'll see. So I actually picked up a couple of things. You see I look a little different, obviously. I did some skincare after I watched Love Island from Ulta, and that's what the other day I got this actually. So first thing I got is from Osea. I hope you can see it clearly. But this is the Undaria Algae Body Oil. And I've been wanting to try it out for a minute. So I picked up the travel size version. Let me show you what it looks like. Comes in the bottle like this. Come on. And basically it's a body oil. So what you really do is you basically just put it over your skin. So how I tried it out is basically I took a shower, I put some lotion on, and then I put the oil on it because, you know, oil locks in moisture and whatever else that you have in your skin. Kind of like how you do your skincare. You put the moisturizer on before the serum's on before anything, you know, oil-based or whatever, to lock in that moisture. And I really like it. I feel like it's very nice and glowy, and I can see myself using this like at the pool. So I really like it so far, and I know that eventually I might save the little bottle just for if I do travel at some point and get the bigger one. But it is a pretty pricey, not gonna lie to y'all. Okay, so that was the first thing. Then I picked up this here from Tula. So this here is the Tula. It's basically just a sunscreen, but it's a sunscreen gel. And I was watching, her name is Laureen Wangoji here on YouTube, and she recommended this as far as like a current or summer favorites. And the good thing about this like little sunscreen here, basically it's not just moisture based, it's gel, and it gives you that really nice like dewy, that like cool sort of like dewy, not matte finish on your skin, and I love that. So I used a little bit on it when I did like my face, well, when I took off my makeup and everything and washed my face. But it just adds a little glow to your skin, and I absolutely love it. You see right here when I put it on versus like right now. It's such a nice little glow. It's so natural. So I know that I'm already a fan of this and I picked it up from Ulta as well. Then I got, well, Ulta had this deal where basically if I spent whatever, I got an item free. So when I got those two things, they gave, well, I chose what item I wanted free, and I got the Clinique. Come on, focus in. Yeah, so I picked up a Clinique makeup removing balm. Basically, guys, this I actually have the eyelid and what is it, like lipstick remover for this, and it is so good. It's a little bit of like a water-based serum, and you just like what? Well, you put it obviously on some cotton, takes off makeup for your eyelid, mascara, everything, and also any lipstick that's like, you know, if you have more of like a matte finish, the lip stain, everything comes out with one swipe. So obviously I was like, give me the cleansing balm for my entire face. Like, it's such a, I know it's gonna be a good product because it's the same type of Clinique, you know, makeup remover. So those three things I picked up from Ulta. And then I have just one thing from an Amazon package that came in, and I wanted to show this to you guys, especially for my content creators out there. So this is actually a, what do they call this again, a tripod, but look how like this is amazing. I'm gonna show you. Basically it comes really sleek in this little box here, and but basically this is a tripod for taking your own pictures and stuff. And I wanted to show you guys real quick because look how sleek and small this is. So simple. And it comes with the little remote here, so it just detaches obviously when you need to use it to your clicker. So you will obviously extend it. I don't know, I have to read the instructions to see, but basically it's 60 inches, which is like, hey Siri, what is 60 inches in feet?
60 inches is one thing.
Right, so it's 5 feet when you extend the entire tripod, which I think is amazing. And why I wanted to pick this up is I have obviously tripods that I attach my phone to and everything, but it's pretty bulky to carry along if I can't put it in a bag. This can fit into a tote so easily because it's that small. And I think you just like click a button and it kind of like expands and everything and ends up like, yeah, so we'll end up like what's on the box right here. And yeah, I think this will be great for just if you want to film your own reels, your own content without anybody, because my friend is moving, the one who helps me take my content, she's moving to North Carolina. So won't be able to use her anymore. Well, she won't be able to help me out really because that's what she really did. So I will link this and everything else below, of course, for you guys. And yeah, just check out the description box. Everything will be below. Y'all, I don't think my poor plant is enjoying or handling the move very well. Basically, this plant was thriving at my apartment place. Look how much like I have here is grown. Just look at this, all of this. This is a brand new shoot that was well, it came out obviously a few weeks before I moved, but ever since she's been, or he has been uprooted from there, these leaves have gone yellow. I also have been like contributing to this badly because this part right here, I accidentally, when I sat down, because I had to put it like on my laps when I went in the car to move, and oops, look here, I'm breaking off more things. There were like 2 leaves coming out right here, and I actually like snapped them in the door by accident, so I had to pluck them out. But yeah, she is, I don't know, just not thriving like she's been. So I really can't wait to get into my new place, set her up where she will be, you know, in a stable environment so she can continue to thrive, because this is my baby. She has no name, or he has a name. I just call it Planty. So poor Planty's not handling this, the stress of it all. But yeah, this is what she looks like anyway. I don't think I've told y'all, but basically I have been more on like a health conscious journey, and I've been going to the gym more frequently. I've like kind of been more consistent with it. So I go at least 4 days a week, and I have like 1 rest day in between the 4, and then I kind of wait till the next week to continue. But I've been doing that. And then I also have been using my FitnessPal app, which I've always been like familiar from. I've always been familiar with the app, but I wasn't really like utilizing it. So right now it helps me kind of like know how many calories I should be eating per day so that I don't overeat, or basically, track my macros as far as, carbs and protein and fat. And what happened was I noticed I was severely lacking in how much protein I eat. Not that I don't eat protein. I'm just not a person that has like a big portion of like chicken or meat or whatever it might be. I'm just very like, okay, this is enough for me. So my friend, she actually gave me these protein powder and meal replacement mix, and it is from, let me show you what they are from. So it's from the brand HerbaLife. And let me tell you, these two things, chef's kiss, it is so delicious for protein powder. So I used to use the Orgain vanilla protein powder. It's like French vanilla. It's not bad, but it still had that little like chalky taste at the end. And I'm a person like, I like putting my protein powder in more of like drinks, like a smoothie. But because it was just that French vanilla flavor, it overpowered any type of smoothie I wanted to make, because I'm more of like a fruit or green smoothie girl and can't really do spinach and vanilla for smoothies. So the fact that these taste so good is actually really, well, good, because I mixed this with some water and some almond milk, and I'm sure the star of the show. This one here is the cookies and cream flavor. Ooh. So I use like 1 scoop of cookies and cream, and I do 2 scoops of the actual protein powder, which is just regular. And these combined with the milk, I put it in my, my little bullet blender, and it becomes like a meal replacement. So I definitely get like enough protein. So it's honestly been helping me meet my protein goals, so that I'm not undergetting, that makes no sense, but you know what I mean, like under eating the amount of protein I need daily. My carbs are pretty good. My fats are healthy fats. I tend to, stick to that. So it's been good, and I just can't wait to start seeing the results, so I guess we'll track that. But that is basically it, you guys, for the vlog today. I'm just gonna chill, probably try to catch another episode of Love Island again. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog off right here. But I think, you guys, the next time you see me, it's probably gonna be in regards to actually finally being moved into my new place and everything else. So stay tuned for that new vlog coming up soon. And until then, I'm just gonna tell you guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Until next time, bye guys.